Guys, do you play Offroad Outlaws? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download a modded version of the Offroad Outlaws onto your phone that gives you unlimited money, no jailbreak or computer needed. So keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's super cool, guys, and this is fully working Offroad Outlaws hack. So if you like to play Offroad Outlaws, then keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super weird, but it actually is like updated and everything like that. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Alright guys, so as you can see right there, we have the Offroad Outlaws hack installed. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this, so let's get right into the video. So basically guys, what we're going to do is go to the Zoo mods, alright? So this is the website where we can do this, so let me just show you guys right here. So once you're on this site guys, we're going to go to the search bar and we're just going to type in Offroad. And as you can see, it says Offroad Outlaws mod. So just download this and you're good to go guys. So be sure to go and try it out. I'll see you guys in a future video, but subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. And as you can see guys, if we go to the search bar and type in Offroad Outlaws, you guys can see the game is super expensive, which is why I do not encourage you guys to spend any money on this whatsoever. So as you can see guys, there's your prices. Feel compulsed to do whatever you want I guess, but personally I would rather be on the Zoo mods, guys, because that's where things are getting spicy. That's what I would prefer to do, but personally, if you're someone that wants to do something else, then go right ahead. But that's not what I would choose to do personally. So anyways, guys, be sure to go ahead and try us out and get the word out, because this is super cool, and it actually works. So yeah, I mean, I've looked into many of these alternative options. They don't work. This one actually works. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys. Fully working. And if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe, because this is sick, bro. Off-road and in the outlaw gang life. You know how it is. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you guys later. But I hope you enjoy my content and get the word out. So yeah, if this video works for you guys, definitely go and share it. I'll see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel and peace out.